Hey everybody, I'm Kirby, this is Kirby Meets Audio, and today we're going to do another sound test. So my last video, I built a pretty big Bluetooth speaker. That speaker used two 4-inch Dayton Audio woofers with a Dayton Audio tweeter and a Shure Electronics JAB Bluetooth audio amp with Bluetooth 4.0. It sounds pretty good. I like it, and it was a fun build. It's actually one of my favorite build videos. I actually really liked. I tried some new stuff. Check it out. It was fun in the last sound test video to compare the audio amp, the kind of cheaper audio amp that's in my kitchen, compared with the more expensive audio amp that's in my living room. But in the comments, some people pointed out that they were in two different rooms. And two different rooms means two different acoustics. Different acoustics means different sound. And they're totally right. So I thought in this video, we can test the powered speaker in both those rooms and see if we can tell a difference in the sound of the room. See if it changes the sound of the speaker. All right, let's start with the kitchen. Here we go. All right, now we'll see what it sounds like in the living room. Alright, so after listening back to the recordings, I think I made a big mistake. I put the microphone or the recorder close to the speakers to try to get the best sound from the speakers so we could see what the speakers sound like. But that wasn't really our goal for this comparison, for this test. We wanted to see what the room would sound like. So I should have put the microphone further back from the speakers so it would pick up more of the room sound. I could still tell a difference in the sound. I think the living room did sound better, and it's probably because of the carpet. It just had a little better acoustics. But unfortunately, I already gave away the speaker to the person that I made it for. So I can't redo the test. But we'll probably redo this test again in the future at some point. So what do you guys think? Could you tell a difference? I'd like to hear it in the comments. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Appreciate it. And go watch the build video again. If you already watched it, I like that video. Pretty proud of that video. All right, thanks. See ya.